Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you having troubles logging in on your Meetup app? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in your Meetup account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. In order to log in into your Meetup app, you'll have to make sure that you have successfully signed up into your Meetup account. After that, here you'll be able to see two options that are sign up, and below that you'll be able to see already have an account, then login option. Here you'll have to tap on the second option, that is login. Once you tap on it, if you had previously used Google or Facebook in order to sign up on your Meetup account, then you'll have to use your Google or Facebook. But if you used email like me, then you'll have to type in your email address here and also type in the password that you had used while creating your account. Once you're done typing in your email and password, tap on the option login. Here you will be successfully logged in into your account. Then from the home page, tap on the profile icon that is located on the top right hand side corner. And here you'll be able to see your profile name and your profile information. And here, as you can see, I have successfully been logged in into my Meetup account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.